Baykar Technology Technical Manager Selçuk Bayraktar announced on his Twitter account that the second production prototype of the KIZILELMA Combat Unmanned Aircraft System, which is aimed to make its first flight in 2023, will be exhibited at TEKNOFEST 2022, which will be held in Samsun. Selçuk Bayraktar shared the images of the KIZILELMA MİUS, Combat Unmanned Aircraft System, prototype from the production line on June 19, 2022. Next to the prototype, which was still in production, was the painted mock-up. President of the Turkish Presidency of Defense Industry Professor Dr. İsmail Demir, for the KIZILELMA Combat Unmanned Aircraft System in a news broadcast. "We are planning to get KIZILELMA out of the hangar next year. I hope his brother HÜRJET will also fly next year. This process can also be faster. Baykar likes to surprise. But our target is next year. As in AKINCI TİHA, KIZILELMA will not be uniform. There will be different variants and further models will continue to work. Bayraktar KIZILELMA will operate at a cruising speed close to the speed of sound. In the next process, it will be able to exceed the speed of sound. KIZILELMA will have an ammunition and payload capacity of close to 1.5 tons. It will be able to carry air-air, air-ground smart missiles and cruise missiles. The radar will be able to carry its ammunition inside the hull so that it has a low visible design. In missions where radar invisibility is not at the forefront, they can also have their ammunition under the wing. Bayraktar KIZILELMA will be able to land on short runway ships with the help of catch cables and hooks. The element that distinguishes the aircraft design from other unmanned warplanes in the world is its vertical tails and front canard horizontal control surfaces. Thanks to these control surfaces, it will have aggressive maneuverability. A contract covering the supply of Ukrainian AI-25TL and AI-322F engines was signed for KIZILELMA, which will have different engine options. Announced by TI on June 10, 2022, the TF6000 has similar thrust values with its AI-322 afterburner turbofan engine, which is also one of the engines planned to be used in Bayraktar KIZILELMA MİUS, Combat Unmanned Aircraft System, which can give 5,500 pounds and 9,260 pounds with afterburner. In this context, it can be evaluated that the TF6000 has a sufficient level of thrust for both KIZILELMA